Hi, it's 3 a.m. and your mind won't shut up, right? The same thoughts, the same overplayed scenarios that never actually happen. One thought turns into 10, and before you know it, you're drowning in a sea of what ifs and should haves. Sounds familiar, right? You tell yourself to sleep, but your brain insists on solving problems that do not even exist yet. Funny how the world is silent, but inside your head, it's louder than ever. That late night mind spiral, where everything feels 10 times heavier, where past regrets resurface like they just happened, and where sleep feels impossible because your brain just won't let you find peace. Maybe you're replaying an awkward conversation from 3 days ago or stressing about a decision like your whole life depends on it. It is like your mind refuses to let go, convincing you that if you think about it just a little longer, you will find some hidden answers, some ways to rewrite the past or control the future. Yeah, we have all been there. Your mind replays the moment on a loop, analyzing every word, every pause, every tiny detail no one else even remembers. You convince yourself you should have said something different, should have acted another way. And now, here you are, stuck in a past you cannot change or a future you cannot predict. Overthinking feels like control, but it's really just a slow kind of self destruction. It turns small things into big things, possibilities into problems, and choices into impossible dilemmas. The more you think, the heavier it gets, until even the simplest decisions feels like life or death scenario. But the truth is, most of the things you're stressing over won't matter in a week, and the people you think are judging you, they're too busy overthinking their own lives to focus on yours. And even if they did notice, even if you did stumble, say the wrong thing, or make a mistake, life would still move forward, the sun would still rise, your heart would still beat, and the people who truly matter wouldn't love you any less. So much of what we fear is not real. It is just a shadow cast by our own doubts, and the longer we feed it, the bigger it grows. But when you stop giving it power, when you step forward despite the fears, you realize something. You were never as lost as you thought you were. You were just caught in the noise of your own mind, mistaking the echoes of uncertainty for truth. But at some point, you have to break this cycle, to pause and ask yourself, is this thought guiding me forward or is it keeping me stuck? To remind yourself that you do not need all the answers right now, to let go of the imaginary conversations, the endless what ifs, and the weight of perfection. Because life is not about making perfect choices, it is about recognizing when your mind is working against you instead of for you. Overthinking won't change the past or guarantee the future. It only snatches the peace of your present. It fills your mind with noise, making you question things that do not need questioning, turning peace into chaos and clarity into confusion. And for what? Just to exhaust yourself over the things that you cannot control, or to lose your sleep over imaginary scenarios that won't matter in the morning. And the worst part is you are carrying the weight of unnecessary things and breaking yourself over the battles that were never yours to fight. So, free your mind from the weight of overthinking and bring your focus back to yourself. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to let go and trust that you are enough just as you are. And maybe, just maybe, when you let go of the overthinking, you will find something you have been missing all along. The freedom to exist without constantly questioning if you are doing it right. So, take a deep breath, let the thought pass, and remember, you are allowed to live without having everything figured out. And that's all for today, folks. I hope this gave you something to think about, or maybe even something to let go of. Did that resonate with you? What is the one thing you want to give your mind a break from today? Share your story in the comments below or share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your story can change lives. Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self-aware, empowered, and mentally liberal you.